And welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to find a therapist. A lot of people have challenges with finding who is going to connect well with them. And so today we're going to talk a little bit about that process. So let's jump into it. So when you're starting to find a therapist, first you want to do a simple Google search, depending on what you're looking for. So if you've been struggling with work-life balance or struggling with anxiety or depression, it's best to find a therapist that can treat those areas that you're looking for. So two sites that are really good for finding a therapist are Psychology Today and Therapy.in. Both of those provide a host of therapists in your area. And so all you would do is go to such as Psychologycom, put in your zip code, and it will pop up with all the therapists in your local area. And all you have to do is kind of scroll and look at each profile. I really urge you to read through each profile, kind of see what is being offered by the therapist, and see if they provide the area of expertise that you're looking for. So if you're looking for depression, make sure that they can provide that. The next step is to reach out. So you found your therapist, you like them, now it's time to reach out to them. So you can send them a message through the profile, or you can give them a call. Either one, whichever best works for you. And after that, you just wait. Hopefully you'll be able to get a call back quickly. If not, I would say go with another choice. There's always other options as well. So if the first therapist you reach out to doesn't respond, try another one and just keep trying until you find one that fits. I oftentimes tell people that when you're finding a therapist, you really have to find someone who's genuine, who connects with you, who you really feel like is going to be able to hear and listen to your needs and make sure they're met. So you've reached out, say they messaged you back or they called you and they told you their availability. That begins the whole process. So your first phone call with your new therapist, hopefully, will be just a little bit of information gathering. We like to figure out what's going on currently just so we can make sure that we can provide the best services for you. So they're going to ask you, hey, what's been going on in the past 30 days? Or how do you think I can help you? And then that's your area to just kind of let them know what's been going on. Why did you reach out to them in the first place? And then from there, they'll say, hey, this is my availability. Would you like to come in? They'll give you information about payment processing, whether they take insurance or whether they're private pay. And then you just make the decision whether you want to go forward with that. So stay tuned to our next video because we're going to talk about what happens in your first session. Thanks.